If you've been following me for a while, then you know I've had a lot of offices. More offices than there are JavaScript frameworks. And I've had multiple setups in each. But this one, I've been in the longest, just about 5 years. And I've loved it. I've made hundreds of videos in here, coded a plethora of projects, and built machines to make my life easier. Or, well, harder in one instance, but that was for productivity. The whole idea was not to be easier, it was to be better. But I'm afraid, and well, actually more so, delighted to say, the era of this office is coming to an end. I'm moving out of this office in just a couple short months to move into a new office. My final office, my forever office.
And here it is, my forever office. It's not quite done yet, as you can obviously tell, but I gotta figure out exactly how I want everything laid out. Because I have 3 walls, one right there, one right here, and then one right here, whereas that one has windows on it, so it's not gonna work out too well, as you can see here. So that's where I was just standing. This is going to get framed out right here, as you can see. It needs to be framed out, but we needed it open for the HVAC and the stove, wood stove pipe to run up. And then where we came in was over here. This room is about 14 foot this way and then 17 foot this way. So here's really what I think is going to happen. And I actually got electrical, so I have electrical everywhere. Outlet there, outlet there, outlet there, outlet there, outlet there, and another outlet over there because, well, I have a lot of electronics. But as you can see right there, that's where my Cat 6 Ethernet cables are going to come through. I got 2. Because even though I can split it, that reduces the strength of what's being passed through. So I said, throw 2 up here because I'm going to have a NAS server and a PC, or right now I have a dual PC setup, but I think I'm going to be putting my desk right here. So if you can imagine, again, that's framed out. So it'll be kicked out to right here, and then this is kind of almost like it feels like a little nook, right? So I think I'm going to have my desk right here. And then I can put my camera equipment, whatever. This will be the background if I want to have a shot over here. Or this is what I had always thought, have a big old executive desk right here, which is why my computer would be over there, because executive desk with a bunch of monitors on it feels a little bit silly, right? But you walk in, I'm gonna have a chair over there in that corner, and then right here, maybe an executive desk. Maybe I just leave it open. I may just leave it open. Desk right here, it'll probably wrap around in this corner, or the desk will be over here, and then I'll have kind of a desk that kind of wraps in here and kind of hugs me into this corner. Because I like to be as deep in the room as possible, farthest away from the door, because I don't know, it feels better. That's how I'm going to set it up first. But if you know me, if you've been following my channel, or you saw the intro to this video, I like to change up my office. I'm like Goldilocks here. I need to test everything, every which way, to see exactly what I like. So option number 2 would be, I put my desk up against here, but that puts me right next to the door, right? So that's why I'm like, maybe not right here, but it does kind of feel nice. But I really don't think this is gonna be it. So that's the only other option, with the desk right here. I think centered on this wall, it could be over here. Maybe I just utilize this corner even more, but on this wall. But then that puts my back directly to the door. I guess my back's to the door over there as well, but I don't know. It just doesn't feel as good. That's the only thing that matters. How does it feel? I think that's the ticket. So back over here, what do y'all think? I don't even know if the camera can see all the way over here, but I am gonna have corner shelves built in right here, so there'll be shelves over there. But I'm thinking my desk all the way right in this corner. And this will be my double monitor setup like you've seen me have for the past few years, which I didn't like at first, but I'd rather look up and down than left and right. Left and right hurts my neck a bit more. So I'm thinking all the way in this corner, and then I'll have another desk. So this entire area will be desk, and then maybe just an L pop out right here, which I really only use for plates. After I eat lunch, I just put all this stuff out of the way. That's really what I use my second desk for. You do too, don't lie to me. But do I want like a special desk right here? I don't know, that just may be getting in the way. But also check out my view. Not a bad view if I must say so myself. And that roof right there is kind of why these had to be so tall. Like, to put it in perspective, like I can see out right here. In theory, I would like it lower, but the pitch of that roof right there doesn't allow me to put those windows any lower. We need space for flashing to make sure everything is waterproof. I said flashing here on the outside. And this is probably at about, I don't know, 5 10 or so right here, because it's about 5 inches shorter than me. So my wife won't be able to see out there unless I put a stool right here and she can see, but I can. So what do y'all think? Do you think this is a good idea? So let me take you through it one more time. So this is the entrance. It's actually a double door entrance. I have a closet to store all of my stuff, which is super nice because I got a bunch of junk, and I'll be getting rid of most of it, but that's okay. Remember, that'll be framed out to where it's drawn right there, and that kind of where my coffee mug is, if you can see that right over there. Well, I guess that entire wall over there will be desk bumped up against that. And then I have all of this. So if y'all were sitting on my desk and y'all were kind of like if I'm sitting at my desk and this is the camera angle, I'm way too low. Where would I be sitting? Right here? This is the camera angle, or this is the camera angle for my videos or my streams. If I ever decide to stream, maybe it's over here. No, it'll probably be over here facing the door, or maybe it'll be over here facing the windows. I don't know. I got to play around with it. What do you think? Or do you not care? I understand if you don't care, but I like this type of content, and I think this will be a cool thing to look back on in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, because we plan to live here forever. Is that a groundhog? You see that, right? Am I zoomed all the way? Yeah, I'm zoomed in as far as possible. And there it goes. Yeah, well, that's all I got. I just wanted to document this because I think it's something special. If you think I should do something a little bit different or way different, let me know. Because, again, I'm going to explore. I think I got it figured out, but I think I got it figured out every single time. So, believe it or not, I'm wrong from time to time. So, let me know. That's all. Bye. I can't even make this video without switching up my setup again. So, this is what I currently have. My camera will sit right up there for straight on shot, which I actually really like, although that means no more stacked monitors. Morning, pumpkin. So stupid.